Understanding how a robo-advisor like StashAway sustains itself is key to trusting the platform with your money. So, let's break down their core business model. StashAway's primary source of revenue comes from a straightforward and transparent management fee charged to its clients. As a robo-advisor, they use technology to automate portfolio management, which is significantly cheaper than traditional, human financial advisors. This fee is calculated as a small, annual percentage of the total assets you have invested with them, your assets under management, or AUM. Critically, this fee is tiered and gets lower as your invested amount grows, ranging from about 0.8% for smaller balances all the way down to 0.2% for very large portfolios. For that fee, StashAway handles all the heavy lifting, the initial portfolio construction, the regular monitoring, and the complex rebalancing and reoptimization using their proprietary economic regime-based asset allocation strategy. It's also important to note what they don't charge. StashAway is known for being fee transparent, meaning there are no sales charges, no transaction or brokerage fees for their core portfolios, and no withdrawal fees. They bundle all operational costs into that single, annual management fee. They also offer cash management products, like StashAway Simple, which typically generates revenue through a combination of a small management fee and retaining a portion of the fee rebates they receive from the underlying fund managers. In short, StashAway makes money by managing a large volume of client funds efficiently through technology, charging a small, all-inclusive, and declining fee on that total amount. This scale allows them to be profitable while keeping costs low for the individual investor.